Hi! In this video, I will show you how to add a call log and keep all your client or team interactions organized in one place. For that, go to the particular project, click on the project where you are going to add the interaction. Here we have the call log section. Here you will be able to see all the interactions happening between you and the client or between your team members. To add a client or team interaction, click on the action button. You can either upload an audio file, which you can record on your mobile phone and upload to our system, or you can add it manually by clicking on Add Call Log. Here you can mention the call purpose and what happened during the call. You can choose from the default items we have provided, such as good discussion, call later, not answered, or not interested. You can also leave comments about whatever interaction happened between you and the client or the team, and add it as a log. If you want to upload an audio file, click on the action button and select Upload Audio. Here, you can choose the audio file you recorded on your mobile or any device, select the file, and click Open. The audio input will be displayed in our system. You can listen to it or summarize it. We have AI implementation here, so you can upload audio in any spoken language. The AI will summarize the discussion and provide you with a clear summary of what was discussed in the session. The summary will be in English. After reviewing it, you can enter the call purpose and details. Once done, you can add it to your call log. If you want to see all the project call logs, go to the dashboard and open Lead Dashboard here. Under Recent Call Log, whatever call logs you have updated in any project or for any lead will be displayed. This is how you can add call logs in our system and ensure you never miss any discussion between you and the client. Thank you.